Hi there. Here we are with our patient Giorgio. He just came in for a 1-year follow-up after we did a MaxHarvest Plus hair transplant procedure. How do we do, my friend?
It's been great. The healing was quick and I'm very happy with the results. I'm really happy. You did an amazing job. I'm very, very happy.
Now, you're from Italy.
Yes.
And you just were in Italy?
Yes.
And you saw your family?
Yes.
And what did they say?
They said, it looks like you're 18 years old again with all your hair back. Now we're going to call you like big hair guy. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
man.
all this side of my mom family, they're all bald.
Yeah.
So I was going bald and now it's like,
Yeah.
it's amazing.
It's crazy how fast a year went because it seems like I just did your surgery.
Mm-hmm.
And I totally remember your case because you have a very young looking face, no wrinkles or anything like that.
Mm-hmm.
But then you had that high hairline and was really thin.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember saying to you, this is gonna change, make you look young again.
Yeah.
And it did.
It did.
It made a big difference. It's crazy.
It's not just outside, it's
Yeah.
also inside. It changed my mood. I lost a few pounds because I feel great, I feel better.
It's true. It gets that confidence back for sure.
I didn't believe it at first, but then after that, and I saw my hair growing back, I was like, I felt young again.
I'm so happy to hear that, man.
I'm very happy.
It makes my day. It totally makes my day. Anyways, I want to show you off a little bit. So basically what we did is we went through and we recreated the entire hairline. He had some hair, but it was very wispy, very thin. So what we did is we brought down a nice natural hairline that completely reframes his face. So when you look at him from the profile, it just blends in naturally. We put a little bit lower of a recession because he's a younger guy. He wanted that little bit lower of the recession. I always like to show the suture line off. So we did the MaxHarvest procedure. We got him all the way from over here. You can see the suture line from this angle here, Josh. Just kind of runs through here like that. Beautiful suture line. You can see that fine little trace line through there. Just came out great. And then I'm just gonna kind of spin around here. Perfect suture line. And then when I got you back, I'm gonna just show tilt your head back for 1 second here.
Mm-hmm.
So look at this. All transplanted hair. We went all the way around, filled this all in, thickened this all up, super natural. Just beautiful suture. Beautiful hairline. I'm gonna show the other side here for 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful, natural, fits his face. So, came out freaking awesome.
Yeah.
Are you thinking about putting some more up there at some point, or are you just staying with what you got?
Just waiting a little bit. Settle up.
Still happy.
I thought about. I'm very happy, but I thought about probably get something.
Filling in at some point.
Yeah. No, but so far it looks great. And my wife said, I mean, it's amazing. She never thought about anything like that.
So what do you say to the guy sitting at home who's thinking about doing it, but that's on the fence?
Just do it. The healing is quick. If you worry about that, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna take probably 4 to 5 days, and then you're gonna be rock again.
Awesome, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Appreciate
much
it.
for doing
Great
the video.
job.
You look awesome.
Thank you. Thank you very much.